Hey Pacers, today is March 25th and are you ready for Pacie's final opening to the countdown to her birthday? That's tomorrow. You ready, Pace, or is that Ryan over there? Oh, it's Super Pacie, Ryan style. Alrighty.
Howdy, for PacieInTheCity YouTube channel.
Hey Pacie.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Let's get opening.
Alrighty, friends, here we go. The last two openings for her pocket watch, Ryan's World Road Trip, exclusively at
Amazon.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
All right, let's get opening the last two of this set. And I see you set up all of your Ryan Toys collection here.
Guess what? I have 50.
Yes, you have 50 little ones or so. And then you have your collections
ones.
that are part of a different set, right?
Okay.
And a big red Ryan yellow egg there.
Dad, I think Scuba Diver Ryan was in this one.
Yes, he was.
Because it was like a beachy version one.
Yes, exactly. Alrighty, so I'm going to hand you the last two to open, okay?
Okay, can I just say something?
What?
Let's get cracking.
Let's get cracking, and it didn't crack open. That's so silly. Alrighty, put it to a side, Pace.
Now cracked.
Alright, you broke it open.
Not broken. Okay, I want to open this one. I think I opened it.
Alrighty.
Oh my god! Who did we get?
Who'd you get, Pace?
I don't know. Oh, the bag was ripped open. Yay, thank you. Oh my god, he almost looks like, where is he? Where is he almost?
Who is he? Show your Pacers.
He is.
Oh!
He's almost like this one.
So cute, yes.
They're brother twins.
Where is he from?
He's from South Carolina. Jinx.
Yep, Jinx. Alrighty, that's so cute. All
Why
right.
does he have something in his hand? Well, he's a golf player.
A golf player, yes.
Let's knock this ball out of the way.
Alrighty, open the last one.
Oh my god. Oh, I've been wondering when we were gonna get this boy.
Who is that?
He's gold.
He's gold? Whoa, he fell in there.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He's here!
Is that him?
Yes, it is!
In Vermont? Wow, look at him.
I know. Even though he's brown over there, but guess what?
He's clear, right?
Yeah, he's see-through, and it looks like a coffee color.
Coffee color?
And guess what? Look on the back, you can see his eyeballs.
Alrighty, Pacie.
He almost look like this penguin we have over
Yeah,
here
just
from whatever.
You don't remember? Arkansas.
He's right
Arkansas.
over there with the penguin on his belly.
Alrighty, Pacie. Did you have a fun time counting down to your birthday the last 40 days?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So what's tomorrow?
My birthday!
And how old are you going to be?
7.
Awesome sauce.
Okay, before we go, I'm going to zoom this package out of the way. Choo. Bye. See you later. Thank you for my birthday countdown. I wish you can go to the bathroom.
Alrighty, and there's one last thing that Pacie wants to do. She wants to give a special shout out to the AKA sponsors of our countdown. It was a nice family in New Jersey that gave this wonderful gift for her on Christmas. So you want to read your sign out to your friends?
So, thank you, Nina, Frank, Tita, Ria, Lincoln, Nico, and Nina for the awesome Christmas gift. It was a fun way to count down to my 7th birthday. XOXO Pacie, a big heart and a big smile.
Alrighty, hold it up so that way we can share it with the viewers. Alrighty. Alrighty, friends. We'll see you tomorrow for Pacie's birthday.
Before I leave, can I just do something, please?
What, baby?
gonna turn into an egg.
Alrighty, Pacie, you're so silly.
Thank everyone. Like the video. Bye bye. This is like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. I'm gonna egg my head out of here.